you that see that in thumbnail or in the topic, we are unboxing our new Sony MDR 455. No, I didn't know 445 or 455 head stereo type headphone with extra bass. Please hit the like button on this extra bass stereo type headphone. Okay guys, so first I'm already
afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see you.
Remind you, this is my first video on this. So,
where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The ones that's running wild inside me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. These shallow waters never meant what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive. Eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faded lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now?
guys, this is our Sony extra bass stereo type phone headphones. Look at the signing off there. Yeah guys, up there. Okay, here also, and the, it's so long. Yeah. It's also 3mm jack. Okay, and so long. It's left and right. Okay, guys. So this is what to cover them, and this is our stereo type manual. So let's check it out. This English operating instruction in their Chinese language, and not have, and there are some Chinese language how to use, and also not hands. Guys, seriously, this is my first video. Please hit the like button. Yeah guys, please hit the like button. So check it out. It's so big. Metal bag. So good. It's left, as you see. Left and right here, Sony. Yeah, it's also adjustable.